What is up guys, my name is Talhan, you're watching Gadgets Sphere. So here's a little quiz. Tell me which one is the real AirPods and which one is the fake. So I think most of you guys have failed this test. The real ones is actually at the left. So these are the real AirPods Pro and you can actually tell from the design here, and these are the fake ones. In today's video I'm going to tell you why I think both of these are really good, but I'm going to compare them and tell you why I think the fake ones really make a lot of sense while buying these. And I'm not promoting any kind of fake products. I'm just saying that if you want to save a lot of money and you don't have a lot of money to get the real AirPods Pro, but you want that feel, you can actually get these master copy ones and you're gonna love it. Like, you're literally gonna enjoy 90% of the features for like 20-30 times lesser the price. Let's get started. So first of all, the feel of the real AirPods Pro do feel really premium. Like, these does feel like very well weighted out and you feel a sense of premiumness while holding these, whereas these ones don't feel that good. The case quality is also a lot more clumsy, as you guys can see, so it even moves a bit, as you guys can see, like these, and whereas the real ones doesn't move at all. These are like quite sturdy build, and yeah, you can't really move them, and these are really sturdy, and wow, it makes a satisfying noise while opening in the real AirPods, whereas the fake ones, the copy ones, do not make any sound and they're quite normal. But there's one more difference that you will get between these two AirPods is actually the speaker. So in the real ones you have a speaker, you also have a mic. In the fake ones you have nothing, charging connector. And one more thing which you will notice is actually the light. Now the light is present in both the AirPods, but if I tap open this, you guys can see definitely that these lights are a lot more brighter in the real AirPods. These are the real ones, and it is a lot more dimmer in the fake ones. So I think you guys can actually notice the difference between the lights I'm actually trying to tell you. So yeah, there's a very big difference in the lightning quality of both these AirPods. This one does feel a lot more bright and a lot more, nice and vibrant, where this one doesn't feel that bright. You can tell me in the comments below. But yeah, but then again, one thing which just surprises me the most is actually the sound quality of the fake one. Even though it is a fake AirPods, it sounds incredible. Like guys, I'm not even kidding. This has the best sound you can ever get, like even better than a real AirPods. And I'm actually gonna explain you why. Because we Indians, or even Pakistanis and Bangladeshis, love bassier sound. We like to listen to songs of Arjit Singh and A.R. Rahman, and we love songs which have a lot of bass in them. Whereas these real AirPods are very well balanced. They do not provide you that level of depth and bass, whereas it's actually a lot more clearer if you want to that. But in terms of bassness, like if you want bass heavy music, if you love bass heavy music, that is where these AirPods shine. They cost a lot less money and they sound incredible. Like for the price you get these, like 1700 Indian rupees, like 1800 Indian rupees. These are incredible, guys. Like, believe me, you will love the quality you get from these AirPods. So that's one thing which I really like. Now, another reason why I think these are actually worth your money is because you get 99% of the features you get in these ones. Like, it has noise cancellation, we also get here as well. Then these AirPods have, transparency mode, we also have it as well. But you might think like it might not work that well. You are wrong. It works absolutely same. I know the noise cancellation is a little bit better in the real ones, but still you can't really complain for the price you're paying for the fake one. It works absolutely awesomely. Now, another reason why I think these AirPods Pro are actually worth it, the copy ones, is because it has almost a very good quality of mic. I mean, yeah, the real ones do sound way better in terms of the call quality, but if you're going to compare these fake ones with another, let's say JBL, which costs like 1500 Indian rupees, then you're gonna notice like, no, we are actually wrong. Because in that price segment, they have provided a good quality of mic, which is really rare these days. Whereas these ones cost like 25-30,000 Indian rupees, so you obviously will expect good, good audio quality and good calls. But whereas these ones do not cost that much and give you greater level of quality, that is where you will be very, very happy and satisfied. So this is my reasons and my video why I think you should actually get the fake one first before buying the real one. But obviously it's your choice, and I think I do like how Apple has made these real AirPods. They feel amazing. They have a very nice weight distribution. They have awesome audio quality. But again, for 1/10 or 1/20th of the price, you're gonna get almost the same quality and almost the same sound with even more bass. So it's up to you, obviously. But if you like this video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe my channel for more videos like this. That's it. Hope you like it. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, stay healthy. Peace out.